Welcome to Mercy's Senior Kitchen. I'm going to show you how to cook Barbados loaded breadfruit in Jamaican style with ackee and saltfish. So we're going to remove this stem from the breadfruit. Now it's time to show you how I roast my breadfruits. So this is the ackee I'm going to use inside of it, and I'm going to show you how to remove the seed from the ackee, and you have to pull it out. Inside of it, and remove everything from inside of it. Now it's time to turn the fruits. Oh, we're rolling away. Stay on the fire. This is the way the ackee look when you remove the seed from it. Okay, the breadfruit is finished roast, so I'm going to remove the fire from underneath it. So how you know that a breadfruit roast, you have to squeeze it, and it's very soft. So it's time to turn off the stove. I'm going to put the water inside of the pot to cook the saltfish. My saltfish already washed. You have to cook the saltfish more than one time because it's very salt. So when it cooks, now you remove it from it and put a fresh amount of water inside the pot and cook the saltfish again, because saltfish have a lot of salt inside of it. This is my chopped season. I will put into my ackee and saltfish, tomato, onion, garlic, scallion, thyme, and bell pepper. It's time to put in the oil inside of the pot. Putting a small amount of fish seasoning inside of it. All-purpose season. And cayenne pepper. And paprika. Black pepper, water inside of it. It's time to put your saltfish inside of it. Time to put in the ackee and slice.